Today we are making sprinkle cookies, the soft vanilla cookies covered in sprinkles, but today they're going to be a little extra special because, I don't know if you know this or not, but there's just something in the oven over here. And today we found out if we're having another boy or another girl. So I'm going to make these gender reveal cookies for my kids. Stay tuned. We'll get a little sneak peek of my kids eating these cookies and finding out if it's a boy or a girl.
I think it's a boy.
Right. Okay. What is up, you guys? It is Carly here, and you're officially cooking with Carly. Like I said in the intro, we're making gender reveal sprinkle cookies today. This is honestly just my sprinkle cookie recipe, but I'm tweaking it just the tiniest bit to color the inside of the dough. But you don't have to make these gender reveal. You can just make these plain old sprinkle cookies. One thing I love about sprinkle cookies is that they are so holiday friendly, and it is the easiest thing to make that is festive because all you need are your colored sprinkles. I just have pink and blue here today, but red, white, and blue, orange and black, green and red. You got all of the holiday colors. Super easy to make. And my little tip for you is to go to your grocery store's bakery and buy sprinkles from them because it's actually a lot cheaper and you can just get specific colors that you want. To make the sprinkle cookies, all we need are just a few simple ingredients. We've got our butter, granulated sugar, eggs, vanilla, this is all-purpose flour, then baking powder and salt. This is like a vanilla sugar cookie that we will roll in these sprinkles. So to start off, we're just going to cream the butter and sugar. Whoa. I need a garbage can over here. Why do you have your mask on? Thank you. It's 1 cup of butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar. In the description below, there will be a link to my printable recipe on my blog. You can just head there, print it out when you make yours. We're going to cream these together until it's nice and combined. I'm going to just leave this going slowly here and add in our liquid. So the vanilla and those 2 eggs. I'm going to bump up the speed until it's nice and mixed together. Let's add in the flour, baking powder, and salt. Bring the cookie dough together. Start off slowly with the flour so we don't have a big cloud, right? Once it starts to get mixed in, you can bump up that speed and just bring it all together quickly. This will be a fairly soft dough, and they will spread a bit as they bake. So if you are wanting to just make normal sprinkle cookies, just scoop the dough into balls, roll it in your sprinkles, put it on your pan. If you're wanting to make these as gender reveal cookies like I am, I'm going to just take half the dough out, color half of the dough here, and then take like a tablespoon of dough that's colored, put it into a ball, and then wrap it in the normal colored dough, just like regular colored, and then put it through the sprinkles. So after it bakes, the inside will be either blue or pink, but you won't be able to see it until you bite into the cookie. So I'm just adding, that was like 6 drops of food coloring into probably about like a little less than half the dough. Just to color the dough. It's looking nice and colored. Just gonna scrape the sides really fast. So the inside of the cookie dough, the dough that will be the inside of the cookie, is now colored. Going to scoop about a tablespoon's worth of cookie dough and roll it into a little ball. And take, let's see, how's the best way to do this? Spoon. Take about a tablespoon and a half worth of regular dough, flatten it out like this, and put this inside and make sure it's all nice and covered up. Like this. Dun, 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 dun. And this will roll into the sprinkles to make it a fun sprinkle cookie. They're gonna be some big old cookies. So we've got our sprinkle cookies here, dun, 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 with a surprise inside. These are gonna bake in the oven. It's 350. These are a bit larger than my usual sprinkle cookies, so these are probably gonna go for like 12 to 15 minutes. If you can get exact timing for sizes and things like that on my website, again, that link is in the description below. So I'm gonna toss these in the oven. See you in about 15. While those sprinkle cookies are in the oven, do me a favor and hit like on this video if you're enjoying it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any of my awesome recipe videos coming up. And comment below and give me a guess. Is it a boy or is it a girl? Dun, 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 dun. The reveal before the reveal. Wasn't that funny? Okay, anyway, here's what our final sprinkle cookie looks like. You have no clue what is inside of this thing. I mean, I do. Cameraman does, but nobody else does. So these are our sprinkle cookies. Super easy recipes, super tasty. They're so soft, chewy. That vanilla flavor really pulls through. And honestly, life is just better with sprinkles in it. So I tend to put sprinkles in a lot of things. Whether you are wanting to make a gender reveal sprinkle cookie or just general sprinkle cookies or holiday sprinkle cookie, this is the recipe for you to make. Set it right there, set it right there, set it right here, okay?
I'm gonna eat.
Don't touch them yet.
Okay.
And so the most important thing is not if it's a boy or girl, it's if it is healthy.
Yeah.
And the
Right?
baby is healthy. Now, if we have a boy,
It's gonna be blue inside.
then it's going to be blue inside. If we have a girl,
It's gonna be pink.
it's going to be pink inside. Now, if we have a,
I think it's a boy.
on the count of 3, you guys can take a bite to see if we're having a boy or a girl. Okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Break it in half.
A girl? Wow!
Yeah! We're having a girl!
Break it in half, Brielle.
I thought it was a boy.
Nope. It's a girl.
What color is it?
Pink.
That means it's a girl.
Yay! Yeah, get a whole thing.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah. Well, I wish it was a boy, but.
I was so surprised.